This video is all about Russian style piping tips. I'll be sharing my top tips for using them and showing you what each nozzle in a 12-piece set looks like when piped. If you own a set of Russian tips or know someone who does, you'll definitely want to share this video or save it to a playlist for future reference. First, you'll want to use 16-inch decorating bags with Russian style piping tips instead of 12-inch decorating bags. These tips are larger and require more icing than your typical piping tips. 16-inch decorating bags will give you the extra space when working with these tips. A large coupler was included in the set that I purchased. Like all couplers, this one helped me easily switch piping tips while making this video. Start by inserting the white coupler body into the bag and press it down. Use scissors to score the bag beyond the threads of the coupler, then cut straight across the score mark. Push the coupler to the end of the bag, place the piping tip onto the top, and twist the pink coupler ring into place like this. Now we're ready. The second tip involves using the right icing consistency. The icing should be smooth but not too soft. It should hold its shape like this. If you need to thicken your buttercream, add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar at a time. To loosen buttercream that's too thick, all you need is a little bit of water. The third tip is to consider using more than one color of icing. I have pink and purple icing that I'll use to stripe my bag. First, I fill a piping bag with pink icing and press the icing to the end of the piping bag. Next, I use an offset spatula to spread the purple icing around the inside edge of my decorating bag. Next, I squeeze the pink icing into the center of my bag like this. Consider using white and a second color to really make your pipe decorations stand out. Fourth, because the ends of the Russian tips are flat, you'll want to hold your bag completely vertical like this and never at an angle when piping. Fifth tip, before you start piping, press all of the icing to the end of the nozzle like so. Avoid taking the icing past the openings. If this happens, simply clear the end of the tip with a paper towel. Now this is a great way to start. The final tip is to practice a few decorations to get the sense of how hard and how long you need to squeeze to achieve the decoration. Now I'll go through the 12-piece set that I have to show you what each design looks like once piped. A link to the set that I'm using is in the description below. If you want to start with simpler piping tips, click on one of the videos to the right to learn more about great tips for beginners. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, share it with a friend, or support my channel with a super thanks below. As always, thanks for watching.